Hello student of class 7, once again I am Sudhir and welcome back to my video. In today's video I will show you the remaining part of the section number 11, and today's lesson will be circle. Okay. So here we are going to find out the area of the circle, and we have to learn the formula to use in finding out the area of the circle. So let us try to understand the circle first. You know what is circle? It is a curve and also closed figure that you know already in your previous maths classes, lower standard. Okay. So now you see what is the circle. So it is a curve surface or curve shape, and it's closed. Okay. So this is a circle. It has a center here, isn't it? Center. So the line that you make a curve for this circle is called circumference, isn't it? Circumference. And a line that joining a point of circumference and the center is called radius. Radius. And the line that joining any 2 points on the circumference and passing through the center is called diameter. This is called diameter. Diameter, isn't it? It's called diameter. So this is called diameter and this is called radius. And the curved line is called circumference. So my dear student, we are going to illustrate this elements of the circle in a little different way, so that we can understand the formula or the equations to find out the area of the circle or perimeter of the circle. One thing that you have to remember, that perimeter of the circle. What is the perimeter? The line that enclosed the figure is called, or the line that is drawing on the border is called the border line, or the boundary is known as the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of the circle? The perimeter of the circle is known as the circumference, isn't it? This line is called circumference. So here, my dear student, let us take an example of one circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter, and now let us say that diameter will be 8 centimeter. Okay, because you know that diameter is the 2 times of the radius. Diameter is the twice of the radius, so diameter will be 8 into 4. Okay. And what is the circumference? Okay. So my dear student, now see, when the radius is 4, now diameter will be 8. Why these relations? I am showing you that because you must always understand that radius is the 2 times of the radius is the half of the diameter, or diameter is the 2 times of the. So this relation is very, very important, because radius is twice of the diameter. Okay, and in case relation of the diameter to radius is diameter is 1/2 of radius. So this relation is very important to understand and remember. Okay, in order to come this part of the lessons on circle. So we are going to find out area as well as the perimeter of the circle. So what is the perimeter of the circle? The perimeter of the circle is circumference, isn't it? The perimeter of the circle is circumference. So how to find out the perimeter, or how to find out the circumference of the circle, is to follow one equation. That is circumference of a circle is equal to 2 into 2 pi r, or you can write this twice pi r. So this is the formula to find out the circumference of the circle, twice pi r. Okay, and now regarding about the area of the circle, area of a circle, area of the circle. So for example, there is thing that this circle is divided into many number of many sectors. Okay, and how many sectors we have divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sectors. 10 sectors we have divided this circle, and if we divide and we arrange it like this. One sector like this, another sector like this. One up, one down. One up, one down. Divide this into 10 sectors. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we arrange in this in the rows. Okay, we made the row. We arrange and we expand it. Okay, we expand the sector of the circle in this way. Then we are getting the figure as a rectangle. A rectangular figure, isn't it? We'll get a rectangular figure. So we got a rectangular figure. So see what is this part of the rectangle? This length, isn't it? Yes. And this is called breadth. Yes or no? Yeah. So what happened? Area of this rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of the rectangle is L into B. Length to breadth, isn't it? What happened? Length, you see what this length, this whole part, here, then here, and this part, and this part, this part. This is the circumference. Isn't it? Yeah, this is the circumference of the circle. So what happened? This circumference of the circle, okay, L, this length is half. Half. Yes, you can see here, this is the circumference, but circumference, another part of the circumference is here, divided into two parts, isn't it? This half. So, it is not the complete circumference, some other part of circumference here is, isn't it? So, this is a half of the circumference, here another half to make the complete this circumference. Here will be what to say, expand it. Okay, when you expand it, this side another half of the circumference, and this side another half of the circumference. Isn't it? So this length is half of the circumference. So half of the circumference, half of the circumference. So circumference, we don't need, this is the 2 pi r is the circumference. So it is half into 2 pi r circumference. Okay, circumference is the circumference, and into B. So B, you see here this part here, one sector, for any sector, this part or this part, this is the radius, isn't it? Any line of this sector is the radius. So B is the line of the sector which is radius. So you write this as radius R. Okay, then you can just get here these two and these two will cancel, then you are getting here pi r into r pi r. So pi r square is the area of this rectangle, but what happened? This area will be the area together with the sectors of this circle. So this area is now the area of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. So pi r square, once again, area of the circle pi r square. So you should not forget this basics, okay, or this equation. So these equations are very important for you to remember and to learn for this circle. To find out the area and to find out the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, circumference of the circle twice pi r, area of the circle pi r square. These two you have to remember, and with this let's go to the next exercise. Okay. Find the circumference of the circle with following radius. Now, we say that take pi equal to 22 by 7. My dear student, one thing you have to remember is pi. This letter is called pi. It is a Greek letter. Okay, it is a Greek letter pi, and this pi has a constant value that is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14 approximately. So this is the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14 is the approximate value of this pi. So whenever you got this pi, you have to get the value or you have to take the value. Okay, clear and work out. So he's saying that take pi value is equal to 22 by 7. Sometimes you may tell you that take 3.14 also. But here you have to take the value of pi as 22 by 7. Isn't it? Now A, B, C, we are here. So A 14 centimeter. What is the 40 centimeter? 40 centimeter is the radius of the circle, isn't it? So radius of the circle is 40 centimeter. Now we have to find out the circumference. So circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, isn't it? Yes. 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into what is the r here? R is the 14 here. Isn't it? R value is 14. Yes, 14 here. So these two can cancel. Yes, 7 2s are 14. Now you are getting here 3 2s are 44, 44 2s are 88. 88 centimeter is the circumference of this. The answer is 88 centimeters. So like this, please you do the rest B and C. Now let's find the area of the circle in question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, this one down is now we will do the next question number 2. Question number 2 is asking to find the area of the following circle with circle. Okay. Given that A radius equal to 14 millimeter, and there take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now we know that area of a circle equal to pi r square, isn't it? Yes. So it means that pi, let me take this 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into r. How much r? 14. So it is 14 into 14, isn't it? R square means we have to multiply 2 times. 14 into 14. R into r, isn't it? This 7 and this 14 we can we are getting 2 here. Then how much we are getting? Let us see. We are getting here 44 into 44 into 40. Yeah. Multiply this 44 and 41. 44 into 14 for 4 is 61 and 17 4 6 1 5 6. So it is we are getting a 616 millimeter. Okay. So 616 millimeter is the area millimeter square. Okay, it is millimeter square. So millimeter square is the area of the circle. Okay. Now next, you note down this. Okay. Next B will do. Okay. B, they are getting 49. Then we get here diameter. In diameter, even in diameter equal to 49 meter. So my just 49 meter. So to get the area of the circle, we need the radius, not the diameter. But from diameter we can get the radius. Once again, to find out the area of the circle, we need the radius, and here they are given diameter. So from diameter we can get the radius. How? That means radius. Radius is equal to 49 divided by 2. Isn't it? 49 divided by 2 because radius is 2 times. Diameter is the 2 times of radius, so this should be divided by 2. That means diameter. So how much we will be getting here? See, 49 divided by 2, 4, we have 2. We have again 4. 4, yes. 0.5. Yes. If we divide 49 by 2, how much we get here? 2 2s are 4 here, isn't it? Then now you're getting 9 here, so put 8 here, then 1.05. So this is the answer value. 24.5 is the radius. Now area of the circle, area of the circle will be how much? Pi r square, isn't it? That means 22. We will take 22. Since if they don't get any things to take of the pi, so we'll take 22. Okay, 22 pi value 22 into r, 24.5 into 24.5. Isn't it? So this 7 and one more, this 24.5 can be cancelled. How? See here, 24.5 divided by 7. Isn't it? 7 3s are 21. 3 getting hand point. And you're getting here 5. And 7 5s are 35. Isn't it? Yes. So we are getting here 3.5. 3.5. So if you multiply all this, okay, you will get the area exactly, isn't it? So let us find out how much we are getting here, isn't it? So 24.5 and 3.5. We multiply this first. Alright. So but by multiplying all this, we are getting 1886.5. 1886.5 meter square. So area must always be the square unit. Okay, unit square, meter square. So this is the area of the circle. Okay, with the following diameters. So now please note down this, and now question number C is there. So C you can do yourself as your own practice. Okay, now let us go to the next question. So please you note down. No? So now we'll go to the next question. Question number 4. 3 you can do yourself. So 4 I'll do question number 4 next. Okay. Question number 4. Okay. I just read the question for you. You can check in your book also. Question number 4 saying like this: a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. So what is that? Diameter. Diameter equal to 21 meter of the circular garden. Diameter. Okay, diameter of the circle is 21 meter. So now after that, say that find the length of the rocks he needs to process if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. You want to make a fence along the circle of the circular part of the circular track or circular boundary of the garden. The gardener wants to put a fencing in the circular boundary of the garden. Okay, and you want to make that circular fencing 2 round. Okay, again making 2 round. Maybe one below, one in the top. He want to make 2 round of wearing for fencing here. And the question is asking you to find out the length of the rock. Okay, it is 2 round. Again, the cost of the rock, if it is 4 rupees, or rupees 4 per meter. Okay, and we have to take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay, now here we need to find out the radius first of all. So radius is equal to 21 divided by 2. That is how much? Yes, 1 minute 0.5. 10.5 meter is the radius. The radius is 10.5 now, and what we are going to find out? We are going to find out the circumference. Circumference of the circle, isn't it? We have to find out. We don't know this, isn't it? Again, we have to find out the length. See the length of the circumference of the circle will be the length of the rod. Okay, this will be the length of the rock. Length of rock. Okay, the rock that used to uh, make fencing there. Okay. Then what about number of round? Number of round. Round, isn't it? The circular garden, the boundary circular garden, number of round is 2. Okay. And cost. Cost is 4 rupees per 4 rupees per meter. 4 rupees 4 per meter. Now we have to find out the total cost. Total cost. 2 things we have to find out. We have to find out the circumference of the circle, which will be the length of the rock, and the total cost of the rock. If it is 2 two round we are making this. Two round making there means how much the length of the rock? Length of the rock will be two times, isn't it? The circumference of the circle will be length of the rock, but if you make two round, then means we have to multiply the circumference with two, then we will get the total length of the rock and again the price of the rock. If the price is 4 rupees per meter, then you have to multiply with the total length of the rock after getting this circumference, isn't it? So first of all, what we have to find out? So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. You can use 2 into 22 by 7 into r. How much? 10.5. Isn't it? Yes, 10.5 we are getting here. Now you see my dear student, this 10.5 and 7 can cancel. 7 1 is 7. Isn't it? Point coming here, then rather transfer. Okay. So 22 2 will be 44 into 1.5. So how much we are getting here is 44 and 1.5. 5 4 is 20, you have 22, you get here, then 4 getting here, 0, 6, here is. That means 66 meter we are getting the circumference. But what happened? The length of the rods, we are going to find out the length of the rod, isn't it? So length of the rod how much? So therefore, the length of the rod, therefore the length of the rod equal to 2 into the circumference. What is this? This is 6 meters. How much? 100. Sorry. 132 meters. So 132 meters is the total length of the frame. Sorry, total length of the rod. Okay. So the length of the rope is 132 meter and total cost of the rope will be rupees 4 into 132. How much will be here? 4 is 8, 4 is 12, and 4 is 4 5. Rupees. How much? Rupees 528 is the total cost. So this is the answer for question number 4. Let us go to the next question number. My dear student, please note down this, and next question is question number 5. Okay, question number 5. I'll read for you. This question number 5 is very interesting one. Okay, my dear student, in this exercise, there is a very large number of questions. Okay, so I will not touch everything, but I will touch some important one, some difficult also for you, which is almost same with the others, and you can do the others by practicing this what I am showing here. Okay, so next I will do question number 5 for you. Question number 5 is here: from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. A circle of radius 2 cm is to go. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Now, you see question number 5 is saying like this. Okay. Solution. I'll just write the solution. There is a circular sheet like this. There is a circular sheet like this. Okay. So from this circular sheet, this circular sheet, okay, yes, you will get the radius of the circular sheet as 4 centimeter. Yes, 4 centimeter of radius. Okay. Now from this, you remove another circle from inside. you remove it. Okay, which have the radius of 3 centimeter. Radius is 2 centimeter. So you have to find out the area of the remaining portion of the bigger circle. You can see two circles are there. You can see two circles are here. So these two circles you are going to find out the area. Area of these two circles. Area of the bigger one, area of the smaller circle. Okay, two circles you can see here, isn't it? So inner or outer or inner doesn't matter. If you say outer circle is having the radius of 4 centimeter, inner circle is having the radius of 2 centimeter. Take out the area of these two and you subtract it. If you subtract the area of the smaller from the bigger, you will have some difference. You have some remaining. The remaining area is the area of the portion here in this cycle. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is that radius of outer circle is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Isn't it? Yes. If outer radius of the outer circle is 4 centimeter, then area how much? Area will be how much? Pi r square. Isn't it? Pi r square. That means how much is the pi r square? Pi. They are asked to take the pi as the given take pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, we have to take this value of pi as 3.14. This is value we are going to do, isn't it? So pi r square, you get it here, isn't it? Then now, my dear student, pi 3.14 into r. Radius how much? 4 into 4. Isn't it? That means it is very simple that 4 square. 4 square. That is 3.14 into 16. So 16 and this 3.14 we have to multiply. How much we are getting? Let us see. 16. This was the 24, 2 and 8. 6 is the 18. Now 4 1 is 4 and 1 3. Carry here is here 9 here. In it. Now how much we are getting here? Let's see. So now we get here 49.24 centimeter square is the area of the outer circle. Area of the outer circle, isn't it? Now we get area of the outer circle. Now again the radius of the inner circle. How much is that? It is 3 centimeter. Isn't it? That area of the circle, inner circle, smaller circle or inner circle, that means pi r square. That means 3.14 into r, how much? 3. So 3 square. 3 square means 3.14 into 9. So that 3.14 we have to multiply with 9. 9 4s are 26. 3 in hand, and 9 is 2, 1 in hand, again 3. 27, 28. So we got here 28.26 centimeter square. Isn't it? Yes. So now we are going to find out the remaining part of the this. Okay. So let us see. So my dear student, we get here the area of the inner circle at 28.26 centimeter. 28.26 centimeter square is going to be subtract from this 49.24. Okay, if you subtract this here, then how much we are getting? You see, I have done here. So 49.24 minus 28.26. So we got here 20. Yeah. Oh yes. 8. But here 20. Yes. So we got here 20, isn't it? So that means 20.98. Here is write down like this. Therefore, the area of the remaining part or remaining portion of the circle, remaining portion of the circle, let's say, or remaining part will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. That means how much? We got here 49.24 centimeter square minus 28.26 centimeter. We got it. Okay. Then we have 20.98 meter square. So this is the area of the remaining portion. 20.98 meters. Okay. So please note down this. Hello student, next we have question number 9. Okay. 6, 7, 8 you can do yourself, very simple. So question number 9 is saying that one person that is called Sajdi took a wear of 44 centimeter. Okay. And he bent for a wear of 44 centimeter into a circular shape. Okay, in a circular shape. If it is bent to circular shape, this wear of 44 centimeter of length, and it's asking you to find out the radius of the circle that made by this line of wear. Okay, and also asks you to find out if it is bent into the rectangle. First, it is bent as circle, isn't it? Whose where it is 44 centimeter. So it is bent as the circle, and this circumference will be also 44 centimeter, isn't it? It's made by the length of this 44 centimeter. So the circumference will be 44 centimeter, isn't it? Yes. And again, this where it is being reform again as rectangle. That time it asks to find out the length and length. Okay. So first of all, what we have to find out is that we find out the radius. Okay. So radius say like this. So circumference of the circle will be 44 centimeter. If the length of where is 44 centimeter, then we will make it a circle, then the circle will have the circumference of 44 centimeter. Okay. So here we are going to find out the radius. So how to find out the radius? So we know that circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now implies that circumference given here 44 centimeter equal to 2 into pi. How much? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r. So we have to find out the r here. Right? So if we find out the r here, so what happens is you see here. This 2 will bring here first. Okay. I'll just write this on this side. 44 will be here. Okay, then now this 2 will divide here into 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. Okay, once again, I'll show you once again here. I write R on the side just only. So this 2 will bring here, that means in this 44, this 2 will divide. Yes or no? Yes. 2 will divide here. And this, if you bring it on the other side, it will become 7 by 22. Reciprocal. We will change the reciprocal. We have to take reciprocal into 7 by 22. If you bring on this side. Okay. If you don't understand this, I tend to show you here. Here we have 42, so 2 will be here and it will divide. Okay. Then into if you do this 22 by 7 here, it becomes 7 by 22. And only R is equal. So we have implied that R is equal to, you see this 22 and this 44 will cancel, it will become 22. Then this 2 and this 22, 11. So we are getting 11 into 7, that is equal to 77. Then 77 centimeter. So 77 centimeter. My dear student, once again, see little, I will show you little clear. Okay. See 44 will divide by 2 here, isn't it? Into this will becomes 7 by 22, isn't it? And equal to R. So I'll write R here once again. R is equal to, now this 2 will cancel. So how much 2? Not 22, 2, isn't it? So 22 2s are 44. Then this 2 and this 2 will cancel. We get here only 7 on this. So R is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we get the radius as 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter. Then next what we will have is here. Next we have to find out the length, isn't it? Length and breadth. So my dear student, what I would like to tell you is that we have to find out the area. Okay. Now area of the circle. So we have the radius, that we can find out the area also. Yes. Area of the circle is pi r square, isn't it? That means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. These two will cancel. And we are looking at 22 into 7. So 7 2s are 14, 15. So 54 centimeters square is the area of the circle. But one thing you have to understand is that, see, the same word is making the rectangle, isn't it? So the area of the rectangle will equal to the area of the circle. Because the portion, the area that covered by the same line of the wire will be where as it is, whether it is circle or whether it is rectangle, area will be same. Okay, so the area of the rectangle will be equal to how much? Therefore, the area of the rectangle equal to area of the circle. Why? Because it is made by the same length of the wire, isn't it? That means equal to how much area of the rectangle is equal to how much? 154 centimeter. So my dear student, you know that we have what is this? So I'll write this. Now we got the area of the circle here, 154 centimeters square. And we put it in here. implies that area of the circle, so area of the rectangle we know that it is length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. My dear student, is one thing, okay. It is not the rectangle, it is square in the no rectangle, square. Okay. It is made into square, not rectangle, it is square only. Okay. It is square. So then how much the side we have found? Okay. So now therefore the area of the square, not rectangle, the area of the square. The area of the square, not rectangle, okay? The area of the square will be equal to area of the circle. Right. That means area of the square. What is the formula to find out area of the square? It is side square. Side square is equal to area of 184 centimeter. Isn't it? Yes. So what if one now see my next there is the only number 154. 154 is the area, the value from the area of the circle, isn't it? So as side square, the area of the square will be equal to the area of the circle, isn't it? Why? Because this is the square made by the same length of the word in the circle. That's why the area will be same as this. So now side. How much the side will be? So s equal to root over 184. So we have to find out the root of 184. How we find out root of 184? Assuming here 154 divided by 2, 7. Isn't it? Then here, let us see. Okay, my guest then please once more come back to this point. The square part will do separately. Here we got radius as 7 centimeter and the area of the circle as 154 centimeter square. Now we are going to find out the side of this square, okay, made by the same length of the square. So we need to find out the area first, area of the square. So forget about this area of the square with this area of the circle. So we will not depend on it. We will just take it out because the perimeter is already given here, isn't it? So from there we can find out the side, isn't it? So now I write this and also here. Okay. So I'll show here that the next step or next part of the solution. Okay. Now for this circular part, now we are going to find out the side of the square. See, if the length of the length of the circle is if the length of the wire is 44 centimeter, then perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is equal to 44. But we know that perimeter of a square is equal to, what is that, 4 into side. This side will find, isn't it? Implies that what is the perimeter? Perimeter is given as 44 centimeter. Isn't it? 44 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. So what is the side of the square? Now very simple. Side is equal to 44 divided by 4 centimeter. That means 11 centimeter. That's all. Now area. Now we have to check area. Area of the square is area of the square equal to side square. Isn't it? That means 11 square. How much? 121. So this is the area of the square with the side 11 centimeter. Isn't it? And whose area is more. Therefore, 154 centimeters square is greater than 121 centimeters. It means area of the circle is greater. Means the circle is enclosed more area. Okay, with the same line of square. Understand? So this is the answer so far. So I give me 11 centimeter of the side. Okay, its area is for 121 centimeter square, and the area enclosed by the circle is greater than the area enclosed by the square. So my dear students, there are some more questions again after this, so that very simple. They are very simple. They are little logical also. So you try to do. You have to depend on some area again in some circumference of the circle or some other this steps. Okay, and if you have to find out the solutions of the other questions. So it is simple. If you have very problem difficulties to get the idea, you can just discuss with me. So you try them in questions. Okay. So here we come to the end part of the this exercise 11.3 as well as for today's video sessions. So we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, have a nice day all of you and take care. So thank you once again for watching this video. Bye bye.